Hey there, managers! At 365 Talents, we're all about empowering you to make an immediate impact using our talent experience platform. Let me show you how it significantly adds value to your managerial journey. Finding an expert. As a manager, your responsibility often involves scouting for new talent and skills to enhance your organization. With the Find an Expert tool in 365 Talents, dive into a treasure trove within your organization. You can pinpoint specific skills required for projects, job openings, or strategic shifts. Powerful filters and holistic results. This page offers great filters on all the valuable information coworkers share on 365 Talents. Whether it's their availability, ambitions, or even company-specific criteria, you can conduct broad searches ensuring accurate results. It's about finding the right fit, and our semantic-based search ensures just that. Creating a project. As a manager, you can create a project within the platform and add it to the opportunities that any coworker could see if they are matched with it. Creating a project is super easy on 365 Talents. As you can see, it's done in a few clicks and you can quickly see the profiles that could contribute to your newly created project. Interacting with potential profiles. Once you identify potential profiles, you can have various engagement options. Reach out, view their resumes, or even start conversations through integrated social networks like Teams, all aligned with company policies and communication preferences. HR collaboration. While showcasing these functionalities at the managerial level, it's essential to note that HR departments also have access to these powerful tools, ensuring collaboration and alignment across departments.